I repeat this step again. When you are given any task in R, the first question should be arise in your mind, that is, which package will be used for this analysis. If you find the name of packages, you can get 80% results or 80% of your task. So in our first question, when we try to import Excel file, the question is which package will be used to import Excel file. So now our new task, that is want to graph. So again, the question should be arise in our mind is which package will be used to draw plot. So answer is that ggplot2. ggplot2. I tell you a very small story. For example, Mr. Hassan Abbas is sitting with his supervisor, and his supervisor say it, please create a graph on this ficus dataset. The first question arises in his mind, which package will be used for graph? His supervisor replied that is ggplot2 will be used. No. Similarly, when you know an instrument name in your biological lab, you first find it where it is found in our biological lab. Similarly, when you find its name, now we have known its name, that is ggplot2 is used for graph. So first search it here, is ggplot2 found in our biological lab or R studio lab? So just find here ggplot2. Here I can see ggplot2. Please all participants try to find here, that is packages. Within packages you can see a search bar, that is ggplot2. Search here ggplot2, and if you find ggplot2 here, please type yes, and if you don't find, just type no. Please let me know, have you find or not? Yes. Other participant, please. Okay. Next. It means you have already installed ggplot2. Mr. Hassan, have you found it? Okay. Now, if you don't find here, we need to install. Just click on install button. Type here ggplot2 and press on install button. Now my installation is in process. The red sign in screen number 2 console show that your R is in working, but when it disappear, it show that it have completed its task. Now you can see package ggplot2 successfully unpack and MD5 sum checked. Now we have a instrument, that is ggplot2 in our R studio. Here is another important question. Now come back again our biological lab. Mr. Hassan's supervisor say, please find zinc concentration in the solution. Mr. Hassan go to biological lab or in biological lab. First step, he find atomic absorption spectrophotometer. After he found or find atomic absorption spectrophotometer, he need one more step, that is to turn on this machine. Similarly, when we do any task or any analysis within biological lab, nowadays all devices or instruments are almost electronics. So we need to turn on or activate this machine like microscope, pH meter, and I think each and everything are electrical. So we need to turn on. Without turn on, we can't do analysis. You can't do PCR, you can't do atomic absorption spectrophotometer analysis. And similarly, you can't find pH or temperature without turn on the devices. So similarly within our studio lab, when you install package, you need to turn on this package. So this is similar to biological instruments. When you have biological instrument, you need to turn on for your work. Similarly in R, when you have a package, you need to turn on it. No, we have a package name ggplot2, but it is no inactive or off. Here we use a word that is library. Type here below library. When I type library, it gives me a suggestion. Just select first one, that is library, and within library type ggplot2 and run it. Select this, select this one from, or you can click on at start or at the end and run it. Now you can see when you type here ggplot, no, you can see a tick mark is shown on box in front of ggplot2. So what is mean by library? Here is the word library mean turn on or activate. So we know we turn on the instrument name ggplot2 turn on. Have you done this step? Okay, if you're seeing dataset, you just click on here file, below file, that is plus sign. Click on this plus sign and select R script, or just type Control Shift plus N. You can get new blank file. No, here is a new blank file. Just click on plus sign button. Here is a plus sign below file in screen 1. Below file, plus button. Click on plus button. You can find R script. Click here. You can get a new script file. Okay. Now you have activate this machine. So Some machines have multifunctional or multi-packages like spectrophotometer or atomic absorption spectrophotometer not only used for to measure iron concentration, it also measure other minerals concentration. Similarly, microscope is not only used for zoological analysis or visualization of micro organisms. It can also be seen a part of plant or other living things. So ggplot2 also have different functions, tools, and analysis. Now, Mas- there are two important tools of ggplot2. ggplot2 is a package, and each package have different function. Similarly, mobile phone, I give you an daily life example, that is mobile phone is a package. Sending message, receiving message is a function. Dialer is a function. Gmail is a function. Games is a function. Calendar is a function. Each and everything within mobile phone is its function. Similarly, ggplot2 have lot of function. ggplot2 have a lot of function. If you want to check the function of ggplot2, you just click on here ggplot2, type here, click on ggplot2, and you can see a list of function, that is all these work you can do with ggplot2. So all these type of plots, graphs, positions, label, text, and each and everything you can do with ggplot2. So ggplot2 have lot of functions, but for graph we use two important function, that is uplot and ggplot. These two functions are used to draw a plot. For typing hashtag, you need to just click shift button plus shift button and plus 3. Press shift and then press 3. Yes. Shift and 3. You can get hashtag. Okay. So in our next class, we will discuss about two functions of ggplot2, that is qplot and ggplot2. And we draw some basic plot within these packages. So just know you can do practice of importing file and library and just explore the different packages and read their functions, like you can see here is a I open ggplot2. You can see here is a AES aesthetic. It is a part of ggplot2, so it is a function. ggplot2 is package and aesthetic is function of ggplot2. Similarly, all these are packages. Just to read what these functions can do. Okay. Thanks all participant for joining today class. And now we move to now we move. I am going to end this class, and in our next class we will learn qplot and ggplot2 by drawing basic plots like bar graph, point graph, density graph, violin graph, and different type of the graphs. And if you have any other questions, you can ask within WhatsApp group. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.